Hi! Within this lecture, we're going to see another SQL injection method called Get SQL injection. So in the previous sections, we have actually managed with the post method. And now we're going to see the get method, and in order to do that, go here, OWASP 10 A1 injection SQLi, extract data and user info. So this is a basic website where you type your name and the password and it gives you the details of your account. So if you say view account details, you will see your username and the password and the signature. Of course, we're going to see how to get this data without knowing the password. And in the URL, now we have seen some parameters, right? So this is a new thing for us. So when we see parameters, we get to try stuff as we did in the previous sections. So let me copy this URL in here and try to manipulate this URL. And in here, we have the username and the password parameters, and we have them as James and 1111 in password. So when we give this information, we get a result. So this is a get method, and we're going to try and manipulate this error in order to bypass this. So I'm going to try the same thing as before. Within the previous section, we have managed to insert some hashes and some single quotes before James, or before username actually, and we managed to retrieve the information. Now I'm going to try and edit the same thing in here as well. I'm going to edit this, manipulate this in a way that it won't get run after the username and the password won't even matter. Okay, so we did that in the last section, last lecture, in this line. Okay, so we hashed out the password phase. Now I'm going to do the same thing in here as well. And if it doesn't work out, you can always try this with the passwords, but now I'm going to try this with the username to keep things simple. So add a hash and a single quotation. And I'm going to run this like this. And as you can see, we don't get any result in here, and it's because you cannot just type hash in a URL. You have to convert this to an HTML encoding, which is %23 in this case. In HTML encoding, rather than writing hash, you have to write %23. If I hit enter right now, I will get the same result without giving any password. Okay, so if I type like this, this will work, and the password doesn't even matter in this case because we're running like this. We're hashing out everything after the James, everything after the username. And you can try this with admin in order to confirm this is working. Okay, rather than saying James, you can just say admin, and as you might know, admin doesn't have the password of 1111, but we have the information. As you can see, the admin password was admin pass, and we didn't know that, but we managed to get it anyhow. So we're going to stop here, and we're going to deal with the databases with the following lecture.